Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick little Walmart haul. I picked up a couple items from Walmart. I did get that 1997 limited 4x4 4Runner with the lift and everything. So I picked up a couple items for that truck, as well as I'm going to be picking up some items that are missing. Might do a couple videos on how to clean the floor mats and stuff like that. But please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there for this one. Thank you guys for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for stopping by. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. I actually picked up two items from Walmart. This one I bought first. They were nice enough. I bought these items yesterday. Yesterday was Tuesday, September 21st, 2021. The Fast 9 movie came out on Tuesday. I went to Walmart after picking up the 1997 limited 4Runner 4x4 with the lift and the 40-inch tires and everything else. I stopped at Walmart because my wife told me like a couple days ago that this was coming out. I wanted to pick it up. I pick up everything in 4K now because my TV, TV is a 4K TV, but because my audio video receiver is the max it does is 3D. I bought it like 14 plus years ago. The max it would do was 3D movies transfers for the HDMI ports. Since that's so old, all of my consoles, my Xbox, my PlayStations, my actual Xboxes, PlayStations, everything, they're plugged into that audio video receiver, including my DirecTV and everything else. And the problem with it is I can't, if I want to physically use the discs, I have to unplug the audio video receiver and plug in like my console directly to the TV, or it will not recognize the 4K. So what I do is I buy the 4Ks because I like the 4Ks. And on top of that, you get the 4K, you get the Blu-ray, and the digital. And what I do is I always go to my Vudu account and a couple other accounts that I have, like my Fandango, whichever one. This one has the director's cut and the theatrical version. And what I do is I input the code. It gives me a digital copy of all the features that this physical package came with. And then what I do is I just open my Vudu on the apps on my TV, because my TV has apps. And I go to my movies, and then this will pop up immediately, and then I could just push play and it will play through the internet. And what's nice is it will play automatically through 4K. I don't have to mess with my consoles, and it's one of those things that I've been needing to pick up another audio video receiver for the last at least 4 years, 5 or 6 years, because mine no longer the speaker outputs are dead, so it no longer provides audio. And I've had it repaired 4 different times through Sony over the last 14 years because the speaker outputs keep dying the board. And it's not worth me repairing again because they charge you like $250 to repair it. But I picked this up. Today is actually September 22nd. It's Wednesday, 2021, so it's the next day. It's actually like almost 2 o'clock in the morning. And I picked this license plate cover up for the 1997. It's something different. Like on the SR5, I actually had what looked like chains. On the limited 2000 4x4, I put in a previous video, you guys will see the license plate cover that I showed for that one, and that was a Day of the Dead woman style. It's a bunch of female skulls with roses and you know, chains and stuff on them. I put that on that truck, and this one's gonna go on the 97. I kind of like it. So I didn't pick up much. I did go to AutoZone as well. We're gonna do another video on one of these. So this is that neoprene stay dry, liquid water resistant, stay dry brand seat covers that I had purchased like a month or so ago, and I did a video on it a couple weeks back, or I did a video on it at that time, but it's not going to be a month for you guys. It's going to be like, you know, a week or so for you guys. But I'm going to do another video on these, and I'm going to talk more about them. These are amazing when it comes to installing them in vehicles that have leather seats. Just absolutely amazing. So that is why I want to talk to you guys about them. So I picked up this, the first set I picked up of these, I put in the limited 2000 4x4, which I believe that box is still in here. Yeah, that box is right here. And the old seat covers that were in the SR5 are in here. I need to put them back in the SR5. Here's that new DeWalt white video coming soon. You guys will see that before this video. I got a fog light here for the limited that I need to install. But so the great thing about these is I put them in the 2000 limited 4x4, and the 1997 I just picked up yesterday is actually the same color as the 2000 limited. Same exact color, same color combo. The interior is the same color. The only difference is the dash and the steering wheel are a little different because it's a 97. It's 3 years older. But if you have leather seats for 69 bucks, these are amazing. It's like 75 bucks after with tax. These are amazing. It drops the temperature by 50 degrees, and this is not me saying 50 degrees because the box claims that. Nowhere on this box does it claim it will drop the temperature of anything. That's just me having the windows up and living in Arizona. When it's 120 outside, none of the vehicles other than the SR5 actually have dash covers. I usually just put cheap seat covers in, and I didn't have any seat covers in the 2000 when we picked it up, and the big problem with those seat covers was that, or no seat covers, it was just the leather seats. If the windows were up and you jumped in the vehicle at 3 o'clock in the afternoon and the vehicle's been sitting there all day with the windows up, if it was 120 degrees outside, those leather seats, they burn you through your pants. And the other thing is the leather seats not just burn you through your pants, but they have to be close to 170 if it's 120. And what I've noticed is on some, with these seat covers installed, it was 121 yesterday degrees, and the seat covers were installed in the 2000. That's what I drove to go pick up the 97, and I left at 3:25, around there. It's like 3:30, something like that is when I left, and the truck had been sitting all day. My wife was off, I was off. You know, I didn't have any plans to go anywhere other than to go pick up that truck. And when I got in, it was so much cooler. The only thing that was hot was the dash. The steering wheel was nice and cool. The seats were cool. And I'm 100% positive because that truck, that 2000 Limited, does have a... it's actually got 2 thermostats. Or thermometers, not thermostats, I'm sorry. Thermometers. It's got one in the mirror, and it's got one actually in the climate control system. And climate control in the mirror were saying it was 100, and the climate control takes the outside temperature and the mirror actually takes the inside temperature. So climate control was saying it was 115, almost 17 degrees outside. Right before I got the truck started, it ended up being about 117. As we started moving, and I got closer to the city, ended up being 121. And the temperature on the inside of the vehicle, it was at 89 degrees, which is amazing compared to 170. So it really depends on the day and everything, but these seat covers right here, they are amazing. I would totally recommend them for $75, and that's $75 including the tax. The back seat one is actually a two-piece, so the backing cover you actually put on the back of the seats, and then it's separate from the actual bench. So if the seat itself, if your seats fold forward, you can actually fold them without taking the covers off, which is nice. And it comes with 5 headrests. You know, these 2000 and 1997 4Runners, they only came with 4 headrests. But it's an amazing set. And, you know, that wasn't about this video. I'll do a separate video on it. But just a quick video. I did pick up another license plate cover and a movie. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think of this movie. I've always loved this series. I kind of like that they keep making the Fast 9 movies, or the Fast and the Furious movies. I find them entertaining and fun. You know what? Let me know in the comments what you think about this movie. Did you like it? Did you hate it? I do appreciate you guys stopping by. That's all I got for you guys today. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And this was only 14 bucks. It was only $14.97. These things at home at AutoZone and O'Reilly's are like $20 to $29. But that's all I got for you guys. Appreciate you guys stopping by. You guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!